In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that helps you organize your tasks and projects, making sure you're always on top of your work. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open up ClickUp. Navigate to the ClickUp website or open up your ClickUp app on your device. This step is crucial as it's your starting point for all tasks and projects you're going to manage. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be greeted with your workspace. Here is where all the magic happens. When you're in your workspace, spot the plus sign commonly associated with adding something new. It's usually found on the left-hand side of your screen within the sidebar that lists your spaces. This plus sign is your gateway to adding new tasks, projects, and lists to your space. Click on it to begin creating a new entry. Next, you'll see an option labeled List. Clicking on this is important because a list is where you can group related tasks, making it easier to manage multiple tasks under one category or project name. Think of lists like folders on your computer. They help keep everything organized. Once you've clicked on List, you'll be prompted to name your new list. Choosing a clear and descriptive name is vital because it helps you quickly identify the contents and purpose of the list at a glance. For instance, if you're working on a marketing campaign, you could name the list Q4 Marketing Campaign to keep everything relevant in one place. This step allows you, as well as anyone else who might collaborate with you, to stay organized and efficient. After naming your list, proceed by clicking on Create. This will confirm the creation of your list and add it to your selected space. Your list is now ready to house all your tasks. Now, with your list neatly set up, it's time to add tasks to it. Locate the Add Task button, which should now be visible within your newly created list. Clicking on this button allows you to start adding individual tasks. Each task can have its own details, such as due dates, assignees, and priority levels, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed and you're able to track an assignment's progress comprehensively. And that's it. You've successfully added a task in ClickUp, and you're now ready to streamline your productivity with organized tasks. By utilizing ClickUp's features, you can improve your workflow with better management of your projects and tasks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a comment or subscribing for more tutorials.